Streamline your hotel operations with premier equipment maintenance software. Imagine a hotel where everything works perfectly. From the air conditioning in the lobby to the espresso machine in the cafe. Hotel equipment maintenance service software makes this dream a reality. It's the silent hero behind the scenes. This software schedules regular checkups and repairs, ensuring every piece of equipment runs smoothly. It's like having a dedicated maintenance team at your fingertips, but smarter. With detailed reports and analytics, hotel managers can make informed decisions to prevent future issues. So, guests enjoy a flawless experience, and hotel owners save on costly emergency repairs. Welcome to the future of hotel maintenance, where every stay is perfect and every piece of equipment impeccable. To know more about this software, contact us at www.alcatech.com.